First of all, I love this event because it was organized by this Young Bharatiya Foundation and a very young fellow. There are two young fellows like Amaya Pratap Singh and Abhishek. So they both have come up with the new platform that is called Think Tank, when you can actually put across your ideas, your confusions, your problems, and what they actually do is they do the brainstorming and they come up with the solutions. They come up with the new ideas to give the new perspective and the new angles to all the problems and solutions.
जब आप कॉलेज में आए हैं तो क्या आपको कॉलेज से रिलेटेड कोई बातें याद आ गई?
I mean, this college is the most wonderful memories of everybody's life, you know. So I still remember when I was in college, it was like the most important phase of my life. I can still remember all the activities which I was used to do in my college, and I can say that I got my life. I got my life over there because that was the time, that was the place where actually I could identify myself, who am I and why I want to pursue this career, acting. So yeah, that was the turning point of my life when I joined my college and I actually got my I discovered myself over there.
कॉलेज डेज में जैसे यहाँ पे दो लोग हैं जिनको चेंज लाना चाहते हैं, तो क्या कॉलेज में आपके दिमाग में जैसे कोई ऐसे थॉट थे कि लाइक हाँ कुछ ऐसा करना है जिससे कुछ चेंज हो? कैसा आपने कभी सोचा
Of course, I said the same thing on stage as well. When I was in college, I had lot many ideas. Same thing, I had lot many confusions as well. But I had nobody to guide me. I had nobody to listen to me. You know. So, but today, because I come from Gujarat and that to a small town called Gandhinagar, where this kind of platforms are not so popular, and this kind of events when you can actually encourage the youth to speak up, that's not in much in demand. So yeah, it's very important to listen to the voice of this youth, this generation, and I'm glad that they have created this platform and today's youth have that opportunity to raise their voice and to ask a question.
ओके, कैलेंडर गर्ल्स के बाद अब आपके आने वाले प्रोजेक्ट्स के बारे में जानना चाहेंगे? What are-
I just finished one film. Its name is Carry On Kesar, which is going to release soon. And apart from that, I have two major projects, and the dates are going to be somewhere in September. So they might go on floor in the second half of this year. And I have signed an NDA, so I'm not able to say anything about the project more.
ओके, तो कैरी ऑन केसर में किस तरह का रोल है आपका? क्या
It's a social issue based film, and I play a fashion designer coming from Paris and seeing the society's problem in a different way. And it's the same thing that how today's generation, people just think that today's generation is clueless, they don't know how to handle their life and how to handle the problems. But yes, we are in such a phase that we know how to handle our problems and how to come up with the different angle and a different solution. So this girl, there is a social issue involved in the film, and how this girl turns the mindset of an elderly couple and how their life gets changed, and while doing that her own life gets changed.
ओके, पहली फिल्म में आपका रोल काफ़ी ग्लैमरस था, तो
Yes.
सेकंड फिल्म चूज करते टाइम किस किस चीज़ का ध्यान नहीं आपने लाइक कि किस तरह की इमेज बनानी है आपको?
No, I don't go for the image. I really want to go for the subject, the content, which matters for me. You know, because as an actor, I'm open for all kind of roles which I can perform, where I can show my acting skills and strength. So, Calendar Girl was a different subject. Carry On Case is a completely different subject. You can't compare these two subjects. And as far as the glamour is concerned, so yes, it's a part of today's lifestyle, because if you see a college girl or if you see a CEO working in a multinational company, they have their own standard of glamour in their life. So yeah, when I represent the youth, when I represent the today's society on the silver screen, then it's somewhere it's connected. The glamour is connected in that. So it depends what kind of subject you are working on.
उड़ता पंजाब में आया का रोल काफ़ी
It's totally de-glam, yeah, actually.
डी ग्लैम है, तो उस तरह के रोल्स में भी एक्ट्रेसेस को काफ़ी पसंद किया जाता है। क्या आपको चांस मिलेगा तो आप इस तरह का रोल?
Of course, I would love to. I have done a short film called Gulabi where I literally play a very de-glam role. So, but again, it's all about the subject which appeals the audience, not the character or the look of the character. You know.
डू यू थिंक दैट डी ग्लैम रोल रियली मतलब रिस्की होता है?
No, not at all.
थैंक यू सो मच।
Welcome.